Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will tell you some more functions of mod APK. So let's start. So go to settings. Here you will get some mark of exclamation mark. So click on this. It will appear like this. If your all characters are not unlocked, you can click on this and let you know it will only on mod APK and in my link. So I will give the link in description, so you can all characters. See, I will get unlocked. I have not taken this, so my not characters are unlocked. No characters are unlocked. See, and so many are not there. When I will get on all characters, so see what happens. See, all are unlocked and many more comes, and boards also so many comes. So let you more, no more. See, in this you will see character no hit collision. You will click on this, so it will tick. So what will do this, I will tell you. When you will take this character no hit collision, see, it will not see what happens. We will not hurt from any train. And see this, we get jackpot. If you want to know what we will get jackpot, so see this. Go to settings. In this, go to open celebration tester, and you want jackpot from what? Mystery box, super mystery box, and all of them. You can click all of them. I have clicked super mystery box. And what type of you want. So in this you set coins or keys only. If you will click on any this, the game will be crashed. It will not work anytime. So you have to delete it and install it once more, then it will work. So please select coins or keys only. So I will choose coins, and that, then disable and enable. Now see what happens. When you will lose, you will get jackpot. See, and you can double it also. So I will not. So I will tell you more options. Go to settings, and you see very types of events, fabulous Friday, so many. So to enable the event anytime, you will set how many hours left. So I'll choose to 24 hours, 23, or even you will select event type. So there are so many days, so many events. So click on anyone. I choose to character day, then character type, select it only, then enable event, then see it will come event, and you will give extra 5, and you can change this also event, character day no, and set bigger jackpot also. Bigger jackpot, enable event, so it will enable. So you will get more coins and keys. See, jackpot. So in this mod you can fly also. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share, and please subscribe so I can find more hacks and record it and send to you all. Thank you. Bye.